Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to remove a follower in VSCO app. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and open up your VSCO. What you're going to do next, you're going to just go ahead and click the emoji at the bottom right, and you're going to see your profile. Click on the the two bars at the top left, and you're going to be able to see activity, message, favorites, people. Click on the people, and you're going to see right here in that section, you're going to see followers. Click on it. Basically, you're gonna see your followers. If you have a follower, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and click on the follower's name, and then basically you're gonna be able to see their name, username, and all that. Go ahead and click the three dots at the top right. You're gonna see it, you won't miss it, and basically you're gonna have an option to block that person, and basically double click to confirm that you want to block that person, and now you remove the follower in VSCO app. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.